Hey, how's it going? Here in Wisconsin, got another snowstorm, and onto a plowed road now. Kind of sucks, but yeah, first snowstorm of the season here. Figure I'd bring you guys along on the ride, and yeah, let you guys catch a little beautiful Wisconsin scenery, such as white covered snow fields or white snow covered fields, whatever. It's early for me, so just bear in mind. But figured I'd bring you all along and let you check it out. It's not really that much. I mean, the plows and everything already been out, and the storm started last night at 9. It's like noon now, following morning or afternoon, and last night it didn't actually stick to the concrete and the roads until well after 1 o'clock in the morning. So this is just a few hours of snowfall that's actually stuck on the roads. Everything in the fields that's been stuck there for quite some time. Got her in two-wheel drive at the moment, so we're just kind of digging around. Like that right there is getting sideways, getting a little squirmy. Wow, so far this the quality looks really nice on my camera. I'm really happy with that. Usually my camera likes to focus on things that I'm not trying to talk about or film, and yeah, it's just bullshit. Who wants to look at fucking fuzzy video, right? Good old Wisconsin. Find a spot. I'm gonna turn around and try to find some more snow-covered roads. Prefer those a little bit over this stuff, at least when it comes to, you know, doing a video about snow and traveling on the road and snow and whatnot. So we're just gonna pull over real quick. See that right there? That's a farmer who gone done fucked up. He did not get out yesterday before the fucking snow hit, like I've seen a lot of other people doing. Middle of the night and shit, got their fucking tractors out there and combines and shit working the fields because they knew this was coming. You leave your fucking crops out there, this shit happens, you ain't gonna have no more crops. This fucking Mercedes out here trying to get it. Some people are crazy what they drive in the snow. I mean, if you know what you're doing and you have the tires, it's totally doable. But yeah, I'm more of a 4x4 snow tire, all-terrain tire type of guy, and then you're good. Now I'm in my Grand Cherokee. It's a 95. Got the straight 6 4.0. It's got a 3.5-inch lift on it with 31s that are all-terrain BF Goodrich tires, I believe. And then she just fucking chops through the snow like nobody's business. I rarely have to use my four-wheel drive. I think last winter I fucking used it maybe 2 or 3 times, like needed to use it just to drive. Other than that, these tires just work. People always be looking at me when I'm filming, like, what is this guy doing? I'm doing a goddamn video about the snow in the streets, because that's what I do. Chevy motherfucking country though. Look at that shit, dude. Two Chevys coming. Sorry, my camera keeps like going low and shit. Like, it's hard to stay way up here. Above the crack. Bring you guys back in. That was cold out there. Bring you guys back into the warmth here. And I mean, we were just rolling down this road in the opposite direction, and there was no, I mean, there was a plow that came through, and there's really no change in the road. Just kind of shows what the plows in Wisconsin actually do. Fucking nothing. Unless it's like really like powdery, dusty snow, then it helps out a little bit. But for the most part, they just mess everything up, make it all slushy and messy with their salt, eating up the fucking metal on my fucking vehicles. But you got time for that? Ain't no one got time for that. All right, we're kind of reaching the end of the video here, I'd say. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my channel, and check out my other videos. I got a few, you know, just if you like these kind of videos that involve driving around, blogging, talking, vogging, whatever the fuck it is, then you can check those out. If not, I got some reviews on knives and all kinds of random stuff. I don't know, I just whatever I like and I feel like somebody wants to know about, I do a video on. And yeah, check those out. Feel free to subscribe to my channel also if you do like what you see, and I'll try to get more videos out there for you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys stay safe.